Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Auto Tech. Are you looking for the top 5 best car polisher for car detailing 2024? Here are my full reviews of the top 5 best car polisher for car detailing 2024. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates, thank you. Number 1. DeWalt Buffer Polisher, 7 inches 9, 12 amp. Variable speed dial 0-3500 RPMs, corded, DWP849X. The DeWalt Buffer Polisher, DWP849X is a powerful and reliable tool designed to deliver professional-grade results. With a 12-amp motor, this buffer provides outstanding power and durability for even the toughest applications. Its 7 inches 9 inches variable speed dial allows you to adjust between 0-3500 RPM, offering flexibility for different surfaces and polishing tasks. Built for convenience and control, this corded polisher features a soft start to reduce splatter and dual finger triggers for enhanced comfort. The precision-cut gears ensure a smooth, consistent performance, while the wool ingestion shields increase the tool's lifespan by preventing debris from damaging internal components. Whether you're working on vehicles, boats, or any surface that requires polishing, the DeWalt DWP849X is designed to meet your needs. Its ergonomic design, powerful motor, and variable speed control make it the perfect choice for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Number 2. Vevor Cordless Buffer Polisher with 2PC's 2.0 Ah battery, 6-inch random orbital polisher for cars. 6 variable speed 5200 RPM car buffer polisher kit for car. The Vevor Cordless Buffer Polisher is the ultimate tool for achieving a flawless finish on your vehicle. Equipped with two 2.0 Ah batteries, this 6-inch random orbital polisher delivers consistent power, ensuring you can work on your car without interruptions. The cordless design offers freedom of movement, making it easier to navigate hard-to-reach areas. With 6 variable speed settings, you can adjust the tool to meet the needs of any task, from gentle polishing to more aggressive buffing. The 5200 RPM motor provides the ideal balance of power and control, reducing the risk of damaging your paint. Whether you're a car enthusiast or a professional, the lightweight and ergonomic design ensures comfortable use, even during extended sessions. This car buffer kit comes with everything you need to restore your car's shine, making it a must-have for anyone looking to maintain their vehicle's appearance with ease. Get professional-level results at home with the Vevor Cordless Buffer Polisher. Number 3. Meguiar's Professional MT300DA Polisher Professional Grade Dual Action Polisher, ideal for the pro detailer or detailing enthusiast. 1 count. Introducing the Meguiar's Professional MT300DA Polisher, a top-tier tool designed for both professional detailers and passionate enthusiasts. Engineered for precision and performance, this dual-action polisher delivers smooth, consistent results on every surface. Its ergonomic design ensures comfort during extended use, while the digital torque management system automatically adjusts power to maintain optimal performance. Whether you're removing swirl marks, applying wax, or restoring a showroom shine, the MT300 makes it effortless. With variable speed control, it offers flexibility for a range of tasks, allowing you to achieve flawless finishes with ease. The lightweight build reduces fatigue, and the soft start feature ensures controlled, even application. Crafted with durability in mind, this polisher is built to withstand rigorous use, making it the go-to choice for anyone seeking professional-grade results. Upgrade your detailing game with the Meguiar's MT300DA Polisher, your key to achieving perfect, professional-level shine every time. Number 4. LDHTHOPI Buffer Polisher, 1600W 7-inch, 6-inch Rotary Buffer Polisher Waxer. 7 variable speed 1350 RPM. Detachable handle for car, boat sanding. Introducing the LDHTHOPI Buffer Polisher, your ultimate tool for car detailing and polishing. Powered by a 1600W motor, this rotary buffer polisher delivers exceptional performance, ensuring a smooth, swirl-free finish on your vehicle. It comes with 6-inch and 7-inch pads, giving you flexibility to handle various detailing tasks, from waxing to heavy-duty buffing. With 7 variable speeds ranging from 1000 to 3500 RPM, you can easily adjust the power to match your needs, whether you're dealing with sensitive surfaces or tougher polishing jobs. The detachable handle design offers added comfort and control, making it easier to maneuver around edges and tight spots. Built for both beginners and professionals, the LDHTHOPI buffer polisher is perfect for achieving that showroom shine. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional detailer, this tool ensures precision, power, and convenience in one package. Elevate your car care routine today with this reliable, high-performance polisher. Number 5. Lulyday 21 volts cordless buffer polisher, 5 and 6-inch car buffer polisher with 15 mm random orbital. With 2x4.0 Ah batteries, 6 variable speed dual action. The Lulyday 21 volts cordless buffer polisher is a powerful tool designed to make car polishing easy and efficient. Featuring both 5 and 6-inch backing plates, this dual-action polisher offers versatility for various detailing tasks. Its 15 mm random orbital pattern ensures a smooth, swirl-free finish on car surfaces, delivering professional-level results with minimal effort. Equipped with two 4.0 Ah batteries, this cordless buffer provides extended runtime, giving you the flexibility to work without the hassle of power cords. The 6 variable speed settings allow you to adjust the speed from 2000 to 4800 RPM, offering precise control for different surfaces and polishing needs. Whether you're a car enthusiast or a professional detailer, the Lulyday cordless buffer polisher is an essential tool that brings convenience and performance. The ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, reducing fatigue during long jobs, while the cordless function allows you to move freely around your vehicle for a seamless, polished finish.